Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by defining the shape of your type. Make a header with a class declaration, then a source file for implementations. Add constructors and a destructor, and initialize members using an initializer list for deterministic setup. Keep data members private to enforce encapsulation. Expose only needed functions as public. Once done, compile small example code to confirm the class builds. Make sure you use header guards or hash pragma once so the compiler won't include the file twice. Next, implement methods in the CPP file and mark logically constant operations as const so callers know they won't modify state. Use references and move semantics to avoid copies. Declare no except on functions that should not throw to enable optimizations. For hierarchies, design base classes with virtual destructors and virtual functions only when polymorphic behavior is required. Once implemented, write unit tests, exercising methods and edge cases to validate correctness and catch lifetime or ownership errors early. Finally, instantiate your class and choose ownership. Stack allocation for simple lifetimes, unique PTR for exclusive heap ownership, shared PTR for shared ownership. Watch for slicing when assigning derived to base by value. Instead, use pointers or references. Link and run, and handle compile errors by reading diagnostics carefully. If something goes wrong, enable warnings and sanitizers, reproduce the failure with a minimal example, and inspect object lifetimes with a debugger. This single troubleshooting step often reveals dangling pointers or wrong.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.